Elevator mirrors aren't for checking your face, they're there to control your brain. Think about it. Every time you step into an elevator, what do? You look at yourself, fix your hair, avoid eye contact. Seems normal, right? But here's the weird part. People used to hate elevators. They complained they were too slow, too boring, too uncomfortable. And engineers couldn't fix it. They tried making elevators faster. Didn't work. Tried improving mechanics. Still didn't work. So they did something unexpected. They added mirrors. Not to make elevators faster, but to distract you. Because when you are looking at yourself, you stop noticing the weight. This is called attention redirection. When your brain is occupied, time feels shorter. Scrolling your phone, watching reels, looking in a mirror. Same trick, different context. So that mirror isn't there for your looks. It's there so you don't complain. You think the elevator got better. But actually, your perception changed. And the next time you step into an elevator and look into that mirror, just remember, it's not there for you. Follow for more things you see every day but never question.